Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we remove guys this icon on status bar. Friends, you can see guys this icon guys you have, and guys you don't know what is it, and guys how can we remove guys this icon guys on status bar guys. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you. So guys this icon show guys do not disturb setting. So once your Infinix phone guys do not disturb is enabled, so you will have to disable it, then guys you can remove this icon from your phone settings. So friends, now let's see guys how can we remove guys this icon on status bar screen. So we will on guys our phone setting, and we will search here guys do not disturb setting. We will search here guys phone do not disturb setting. We will search here guys do. So friends, you can see guys you do not disturb setting is you will have to tap here. Friends, you can see guys this do not disturb is enabled. So guys after disable, this icon will also remove. So guys you want to remove this icon, so friends you will have to tap here, then guys this icon will remove guys. You can check on your status bar guys this icon will not show. So like that guys we can remove guys this icon on our guys status bar screen. So I hope friends you understood how to remove this icon on status bar screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.